Hello viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to our channel. See the weather today. We thought of going outside for a ride, but see, it's raining. So we will wait for some time and see if it rains more or if it stops. If it stops, then we will go for a ride. See the sky full of clouds. See how beautifully my flowers are blooming. And look who came for a tasty treat. Saw the caterpillar, how huge it is. And see, here my friend has also planted so many veggies.
And see the rains. Rain, go away. Come another day.
So that we can go for a ride today. So I will tell you what we did today. First, we had a breakfast of मूली के पराठे. This is a simple version of मूली का parathas. Mom made the dough with atta, salt, grated मूली, red chili powder, chopped green chilies and all the common spices. And she fried them with vegetable oil this time. They were amazing. Our deep cleaning for puja is still going on. Dusting is done. Bed sheets, pillow covers and mosquito nets are washed, and luckily the blankets are washed and dried. And I don't know for how many days this rain is going to be our guest, because the weather report was telling that this rain will last up to October 8. So after breakfast, Mom made a raisin cake, and I don't know why nowadays our whole family has become a booker family. When the cake is still inside the oven, we feel like when we will eat it because of the vanilla and the smell of the freshly baking smell. And the moment it is out of the oven, still hot, half of it is gone. Where? So here Mom is making the cake. It is half maida and half atta, a pinch of salt, baking powder, baking soda, powdered sugar and 1 egg. She did not use any oil or butter in this cake. She only used homemade buttermilk that was very thick and full of butter. She used 1 teaspoon vinegar also. But this one is not vinegar, this one is vanilla essence, and now she added the raisins. Atta cakes are denser than normal maida cake, but they are very tasty and healthy. The brown particles you see is actually fried mawa from homemade ghee. She added it to add more flavor and moisture. And our cake is ready, and as I told you, we started eating it like bhookers before it cools down. But the cake was really yummy and the texture was very good in spite of it being a atta cake.
বেকডেটো ঘুমাব নোৱাৰি অনলি ধৰক আজি যদি হৈছে আজি ঘুমাব পাৰি আৰু যোৱাকালি ঘুমাব পাৰি
সুন্দর পাখিগুলি রে
Have you seen the birds? I don't know you have seen or not, but they were so beautiful.
so beautiful.
So, in the evening, we went for a ride with Papa. And lastly,
Our dinner
was awesome. We had Punjabi Rajma Masala with Kaju Kishmish Pulao.
अब मुझे घुरा घुरा घुरा
So here are some gingers, some garlics and some green chilies. I will crush them together. Here are 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 medium-sized onions, and here are the rajmas. I have boiled the rajmas with very little salt, and see how nicely the rajmas are boiled. I have separated the stock from the rajma because I will use it later. I may not need the whole stock. Here we have hired an expert for crushing the ginger, garlic and the chilies, and that is our Papa. Here I am using 2 tablespoons of butter and 1 tablespoon of refined oil. You can also use 3 tablespoons of butter. Now adding cumin seeds. I will let the cumin seeds crackle. Next I am adding the crushed ginger, garlic and chili. I will fry them till the raw smell is gone. Now adding the chopped onions. I will fry the onions till they change their color a bit. Now the onions have changed color and the aroma is so good you can't imagine it unless you cook it yourself. Next I'm going to add the tomatoes. At this point, I will add the spice powders. Here I have added 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, and a big pinch of hing. I have not added salt here because the rajma is already boiled with salt. I will cook this in medium flame till the tomatoes become totally mushy. After 5 minutes, the tomatoes have become mushy and the masala has started to separate from the oil. At this point, I will add the rajma. The rajmas are totally covered with the masala, and now I will add the stock to make the gravy. I have added my total stock because we need some gravy. You can add according to your choice. And here I have added a whole green chili because Jia cannot eat too much spicy. And now it's time to check the salt. We need to add little salt. You now have to boil the rajma for some time. When it is boiling, you have to add little crushed kasuri methi. Punjabi rajma masala is thick, not runny, so you have to boil it for some time to reach the required consistency. Here, to thicken the curry, I am smashing some rajmas. I will add this into the curry. Adding the smashed rajmas. Here, our rajma has reached the desired consistency. Now, I will add some fresh cream from our milk. If you don't have fresh cream, you can add store-bought cream. This is one creamy, delicious and buttery rajma recipe, and nothing can go wrong with this. Our rajma is done. So, our dinner is served. Punjabi rajma masala with kaju kishmish pulao. See these clouds, they are so strange.
लग रहा है प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है हम लोग को.
Ring, 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 na ring.
ये तो हुआ.
I think that just now a spaceship came from the space and made this hole.
Someone came from the outer world.
Jia is getting a feeling that this is Lord Vishnu's Sudarshan Chakra. It's lightning, so we should go home now. And lastly, if you like our videos, please like,
share, and
comment, and
subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon
so you get the notification whenever we upload a new video.
भागो वरना ठंडा आ जाएगा।
ठंडा
मतलब लाइटनिंग